Hello, thanks for tuning in to the second video blog of Capco Benefits Group. My name is Dikran Kabaragian, and today's topic is the ABCs of homeowners insurance. Homeowners insurance is a policy. It looks like this. Policy, okay? That encompasses homeowners insurance, renters insurance, condo, co-op insurance. It's all under the homeowners insurance. So, there are a lot of common misconceptions about homeowners insurance and what it covers. First off, it covers the house, where you live, the place, okay? The main thing, the first coverage A, is the dwelling. And how much the dwelling is insured for is very important. You don't want to underinsure your home. You don't want to overpay by overinsuring your home. So make sure you conduct an adequate appraisal of what it would cost to actually rebuild your home. Not what the home is worth. The insurance company doesn't really care about that. Your home might only be worth a fraction of what it costs to rebuild, but if a fire were to happen to your home, the insurance company would have to pay for the cost of rebuilding the whole structure. Part B on the homeowner's insurance is private structures. So if you have a detached garage, fences, a shed, anything else that's on your property, that's covered under private structures. Third thing is personal property. What's personal property? Everything you own. Your clothes, your stereos, your furniture, your pots, your pans, your crystal, your ceramic stuff, your plates, your table settings, everything you own. Now, all that stuff is covered under the property section of your coverage. That's the first section. When we're talking about that, you should also find a distinction between replacement costs or actual cash value. If you can, select replacement cost coverage for your coverage because it will replace it and not just give you a depreciated value of the home. Second part is personal liability. This is sometimes just as important, if not more important, than the property. Although fires are rare, in today's litigious society, people are getting sued more and more. If there's a liability and an exposure that happens on your property, someone slips and falls on the sidewalk, there's an injury that happens, there's a fire and someone gets hurt in your home, there are many, many things. And if you're found to be negligent, the insurance company will cover you the costs to defend yourself and to pay out a claim if you are indeed found negligent in a court of law. Also in the liability sections, there's something called medical payments to others. That's usually a smaller coverage that's paid so people don't have to sue. The insurance company will usually pay that out pretty quickly. There's also loss of use coverage. So if your house burns down, then you can go live somewhere else, and that loss of use coverage will cover you. You want to find a policy that's all risk and not named peril. All risk policies cover everything except one or two little things they'll say in the policy. Named peril policies say, we only cover you for this, 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 and this. You don't want one of those. Everything is based on cost. You have to take a look. The smaller the deductible, the bigger the premium. The bigger the deductible, the smaller the premium. So take a look and compare and shop your homeowner's policy. Make sure you don't have a cheap policy, because if you have a claim, you're not going to want to say, glad I really bought that cheap insurance. So some things that homeowners does not cover. It doesn't cover flood. It doesn't cover tornadoes. It doesn't cover hurricanes. There's a lot of natural things that it doesn't cover. So I recommend, if you're in a flood zone, to call your agent and get a flood insurance policy. Homeowners insurance is probably insurance that people neglect to review. And if you do neglect to review, with inflation kicking in, it can really go up a lot. So shop your homeowners insurance every now and then. And if you're looking to shop, we hope you think of us here at Capco Benefits Group. My name is Dikran Kabaragian. Please feel free to contact us either through our website, capcobenefits.com, or through our number at 631-424-0627. We'll be glad to give you an accurate quote comparison. And if you have a great policy, we'll tell you to keep it. If it needs some help, we'll give you some suggestions and tell you to keep it. If we can find something that's better out there, we'll gladly present you with some alternatives. Thanks for watching the second installment of Capco Benefits video blog, and look forward to our next one coming up in August. Thanks very much.